Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today's reading is for Taurus for 1st to 15th of May. I have taken out 3 cards. This is a general reading. Please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So let's see what are the obstacles you might face from 1st to 15th of May. Okay, so dear Taurus, if you are feeling cheated on, betrayed, or emotionally wounded or emotionally drained, okay, and if there is some kind of pain you are carrying at an emotional level, so you need to come out of that, if because that is the major issue which will stop you from going forward, growing in your life and moving ahead. Okay, so if you are going through this, then you need to focus on healing yourself. You need to focus on self love and focus on your own growth rather than focusing on the other person's energy. Okay, let's see what are the guidance for you for 1st to 15th of May, Taurus. So here, see, what I was saying here is you need to focus on your own growth or focus on your healing instead of trying to teach the lesson to the another person who has caused you this pain. Okay, so you need to focus on your healing, focus on self love, focus on overcoming this pain by you can get into some meditation activity. You can pamper yourself by doing things which makes you feel good. Okay, so you need to focus on your healing, your energy, instead of focusing on other person's energy and trying to come out of that mindset of having taking revenge or teaching the other person the lesson they need to learn. Because see, if you will focus on your growth, your self love, then universe will help you to grow, and the universe will itself punish the person who has caused you this pain. Okay, so you need to come out of this mindset and focus on yourself. Let's see what is the outcome for you from 1st to 15th of May. So okay, so you need to change your perspective and see how you can grow. Okay, it can be in your relation, it can be in your career. If something in your career has happened which you were not expecting and it has hurt you, so you need to focus on how you can make it worth it for yourself by not pulling the other person down, but rather than focusing on if you are into business, you can focus on expanding your business, or adding some more different kind of work, or taking a new project, or you can also look for focusing your perspective on your growth instead of the what other person has done to you. Okay, so that's the outcome will be good. The outcome is you need to focus by it can be you can travel, you can also plan to travel, which will help you to overcome this issue. And also there are chances that when you are traveling you might meet someone and you will definitely feel emotionally stable compared to the situation you may be in right now. Okay, so this is a general reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want me to do a detailed tarot reading, then please do let me know in the comment section, and I will do the detailed reading for the next 15 days and the months coming ahead. Okay, thank you, bye bye.